Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, yesterday, you can see they approached that 9-day, traded as high as 29.75, knocked it down, closed below the two areas that we were looking for. Daily mid-band, the 20-day, and weekly pivot, which are both, you can't really see the green line as we get in here, locked in, 56.05-ish. We gapped down a little bit today. We traded as low as 51.75. So we've walked through this entire progression. You had your all-time highs, moved down, and the key part was here and here, where they're going to be able to defend the 20, defend the 9-day. If they can break the low from July 19th, if they can take out 55.42, it opens up the pre-FOMC price 55.06. 50-day exponential, 55.04, and the lower Bollinger Band. Remember the concept, the general concept of Bollinger Bands. Upper band, middle band, lower band. And you got the monthly a little bit farther below, 54.76. So now for me today, do we continue to hold? Can they use yesterday's low, 87.75, as resistance? So far that's worked. 85 is your high. And can they break that low from the 19th? Hourly chart real quick. The bears are executing. We talked about, it's a process, and can they progress that process? They have. And what jumps out at me in looking at this really quickly is that we've done a 3-session grind where we've interacted with the 20-day. I mean, you can go back 4. You can go back to last Thursday. Here, and yesterday. And despite plenty of opportunities to turn the 20-day into support, the bulls could not get that done. So now, with the gap down and the bleed away, you could potentially spend, for the first time, an entire session below the 20-day and weekly pivot. If you can do that, then we start talking about those lower prices that begin down at 55.06. So you got volume weighted average price today, 65.5. Proprietary moving average, 5-minute mid are both jammed in right here where we're trading, 59.5. But the key is hold the gap, keep the highs. As this hourly mid band drops down towards price, you maintain that as resistance and take out the lows from Thursday the 19th. Those are the keys. Right now, we're short from up in the 08 area from yesterday. We've just been rolling down, stops on a runner on that. So it's been a good trading week in that it's been pretty broad, chance to get some handles done, and now we're seeing things that are just starting to kind of bleed away. So that's your lay of the land. All right. Have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.